Whoa! Hello my dear friends, thank you for tuning into my channel. My name is Vish and you are watching Vish the Weekender. Okay, so it has been a great week so far. In fact, a couple of weeks I have been visiting waterfalls along with my friends. It was a very great experience visiting a place in a group. So after returning from my last visit to the waterfalls, I was thinking what would be the best way to spend this weekend, which is tomorrow. So as you guys can see my bicycle in the back, so I'm going to have it serviced today so that I can go on a bicycle trail ride tomorrow. So I have actually looked at this trail on Google Maps, and this part of a state park which is called Nandanavanam Park, quite close to my home. So the total distance of this trail is about 7 kilometers. I'm planning on riding my bicycle on this trail tomorrow. So the weather is kind of hazy, it's all clouds everywhere. I'm hoping that it won't rain so that I can go on this ride. But if it is going to rain, can't help it. So this bicycle has been lying from quite a long time. I didn't get it serviced. My daughter has been riding this bicycle mostly, so I'm going to get it serviced today and get it ready for trail ride tomorrow. So to get my bicycle serviced, I am going to visit Decathlon, because that's the place I bought this bicycle from. So normally they wouldn't take much longer time to get the bike serviced. I had a very good experience last time. There are no major problems with this bicycle at this point of time. It has been running quite good. The gears, the gear shifter, it has been shifting gears properly. So I am very certain there won't be any kind of hiccups tomorrow while riding this bicycle on the trail. Right, there it is. We have reached Decathlon. Okay, bummer. They do not have any slots available for today. The latest slot what they have is for next week, and that too on Friday. So the person who was in the store was kind enough to grease the chain and all. So I think that's more than enough for me to go on a trail ride on this bike. Alright guys, it's the next day and I'm in a hurry because the clouds are actually coming in. I was not expecting that it would rain today, or it is going to rain today, but it is looking very bad. But I'm determined that I will go on a bicycle trail ride today. So I've taken my poncho, I've packed everything, so I'm going to go for this ride. So I have my bicycle loaded. It's in the back, as you guys can see. It's kind of thrilling a bit because if it rains, I don't know how the trail is going to be. I'm going to ride on this trail for the first time. I mean, I've walked on it a bit for some distance, but today I'll be riding my bicycle on the entire stretch of this trail. So hopefully it's going to be a good experience. All right, there you go. It started to rain. Oh no, oh no. As you guys can see, there are droplets on my windshield, but it just stopped. I'm not sure what's going on. Maybe it was just a passing cloud. Okay, I'm out of the traffic after struggling a bit. I'm going to reach the park just in some time. Alright, so this is the park. Yeah. Come on, baby. Yes. Okay, so last time I walked in this direction because this direction is a longer trail. So today I'm going to ride my bicycle in this direction. Okay, let's go. Alright, so I'm planning to ride my bicycle as slow as I can. What a place to be at on such a cloudy day. Butterflies everywhere. Oh. So it looks like people who are walking on this trail aren't coming this deep, because obviously they have to walk for a longer distance. I'm expecting not to see people around this place. I mean, so deep inside. So it's going to be just me and the wilderness. Whoa! It's just peacocks. My goodness. There were like 6-7 peacocks. They just ran this way. Oh. Oh my goodness. So this part of the trail has not been properly explored. I can see all overgrown bushes. Man, this trail is like never ending. It's just going on. I've just stopped my bicycle here for a short break, and I've found something interesting. You know, every here and there I see these, you know, concrete or tub kind of thing to store water for wildlife. Looks like, you know, this is a path. You know, I can see all the grass has moved towards the side, but just someone walking in here. Not sure if I can go in and check out. Definitely this is a path. As you guys can see, it goes even deeper inside this jungle. What a mysterious place. I'm sweating like heck. Let me check out where I am. Okay, so as you guys can see, I'm here right now. This is the park boundary wall. I have rode all this route inside. This is the main entrance. This is the main entrance, and you know, I rode all this route inside. And a little while ago I was here, you know, but I think I still have more path, or like, you know, trail to ride my bicycle. So the time right now is 5 p.m. and the park closes at 5:30, so I got 30 more minutes to get out of from this place. So what I'm going to do, I think I'm going to go back in the same path that I have come here. I imagined the outcome of this ride in many ways. I kept thinking that how would I feel after the ride, but at the end this verse came into my mind: put your outdoor work in order and get your fields ready. After that, build your house. Proverbs 24:27, which teaches planning ahead is crucial. Thank you for tuning into my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, take care.